Hey you guys, it's your girl JENEAMONAE and I hope you're having an awesome day.
Shot it.
Can you vibe with me? 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 Can you vibe with me?
We are going to start a series called Mask Monday. Every other Monday I'm gonna try to do a Mask Monday. And I can also do a Makeup Monday as well. Only if you guys want to. Please comment down below if you want that every Monday, a new mask that I try. Alright, so stay tuned and let's get into this video, girl. Okay. So, today I am using APTO skincare. It's a pomegranate mask for all types. The direction says clean and it cleanses and exfoliate the skin. Apply a thin layer, allowing it to sink into the skin around 10 minutes. Alright. How it looks. I don't have the boxing for it. This is actually from BeautyCon. I'm just reviewing all the products that I have not tried since BeautyCon of last year. I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I'm trying to debate, should I use my fingers? I think I'm going to use my fingers because I don't think I have my... I don't even think I have... Oh yeah, actually I have it right here. So I'm going to go in with my flat brush. Go in with my mirror. And just gonna
walking on fire, trying not to bend my feet. I'm tired of fighting, saying things we don't mean. You know I don't like it when you're packing your bag and turning your back, calling me a liar, calling me a liar. Trying not to let my feelings get to me. Sometimes I can't let them go. So now I got these voices. Now I got these voices in my head, baby. I can focus. Feels like I've been hypnotized. Now I'm terrified of losing you. Touching your body, but feeling like I'm all alone. You don't seem to want me, even though you told me so. And baby, I wonder if we should just go separate ways. We could start over. We could start over. Trying not to let my feelings get to me.
Alright, y'all. It's been on probably a little longer than 2 minutes. That was my fault. I was getting into the song by Beyonce, Irreplaceable. Girl, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I'll have another you in a minute. Matter of fact, he'll be here in a minute. Baby, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. Time to take this off. So I'm going to go ahead and dap my face. Got me some waters. Some lukewarm waters. Go ahead and damp my face on up. Yes, sir. Just damp it before you wipe.
I've been waiting all night watch you blow a mile. Please don't come over, 'cause you're not sober. Yeah, now you know that ain't right. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. Yeah. If our friends knew undercover love, and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you.
Then I'm gonna go in with some sunflower oil. I kind of like this mask. I'm saying kind of because I haven't tried it for multiple days. But it left my face really, really soft. Like, very soft, y'all. It's super soft. Yeah. I like it. For right now, you know, I have to try it some more. But it left my face very soft. And it didn't feel dry when I took the mask off. Oh yeah, I'm gonna just massage this all into my face.
When you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you ride for me all day? Stop and stop. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you.
Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Please don't touch me like that, 'cause you know I'll read it. Don't make me do this, I feel so foolish. No, breaking rules, and that's facts, facts, facts. If your dude knew you was coming over, that would be a problem. If our friends knew undercover love, and they would try to solve it, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Tell me that I'm wrong, I don't care. It makes me happy, and if you're happy, then let's be happy. Then let's be happy, yeah. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. Me and you, what we do, it stays between me and you. It stays between me and you.